Yeah. Would you like to have £1,400 given to you by HMRC, or would you like to have £190 given to you by HMRC? I'm pretty sure I know what your answer is. It's the same question I asked some people at a networking event I've just come from, and they all wanted the £1,400. However, would you want your business to be making a loss or a profit? I'm kind of guessing you've chosen profit. So here's the stickler. We actually two of our clients in the last couple of weeks, one got £1,400 from HMRC, another got £190 from HMRC. The one that got £1,400 was because they had made a loss when we filed in the year that we filed their accounts, and we applied loss relief and carried that loss backwards and got a repayment back on the previous year's corporation tax, and that resulted in £1,400 refund from HMRC. Alternatively, the other client that got £190, it was a result of she had made a profit in her financial year. We filed her accounts within 6 weeks of her year end. She paid her corporation tax within 6 weeks of her year end. And 7.5 months later, HMRC sent her a check in the post, giving her interest on her corporation tax payment that she had paid early. So, yeah, changes things. So again, I'll ask you, would you rather have got the £1,400 or the £190? Bearing in mind that the £1,400 came about due to losses in the year, or the £190 as a result of a very profitable year, paying the corporation tax early and getting interest back on that corporation tax payment. So yeah, so this are the kind of things I like to get people to be curious about. We all want money, naturally so. Most people probably want HMRC to give them money as opposed to them giving HMRC money. However, we have to really think about what circumstances would actually result on HMRC giving us money back. Obviously, there's reliefs that can be claimed, tax credits that can be claimed, and that sort of thing. But when we pay tax, it's usually because our business is profitable and doing really well. And surely we all want our business to be doing really, really well. Alternatively, when we're claiming tax credits and loss reliefs and other types of relief, generally because the business isn't doing so well. Obviously, there's a few exceptions to the rule, like R&D tax credits and stuff like that, but you kind of got to be doing R&D to get that to start with. So it's just, yeah, this video was to get you to have a think about, to have a think about tax. It's the kind of conversations I have with people at networking events and our clients, thinking about what it means when you're paying tax and what it means when you're not paying tax. We actually had a sole trader client once who she started to celebrate when she filed her tax return and got to pay tax, because it actually meant she was starting her business, was making a profit, which meant as a sole trader that money was hers to do what she wanted with. Whereas for years prior to that, she had been lucky if she'd been breaking even. So yeah, when she finally got to pay tax, it was like, yeah, my business has finally made it. So yeah, on that note, I will leave you. But if you just be curious about tax payments and tax refunds. Thank you. Bye-bye.